In today's video, I have one project for you. And what this project is a tea organizer. So I picked up some items from the Dollar Tree to create this tea organizer because my sister says that I need it desperately. And so I'm starting off with the boards. So these are the larger cutting boards from the Dollar Tree out of the kitchen section. And I am using a total of 6, starting off with 3. So to secure these boards together, I am using a combination of super glue that I did pick up from the Dollar Tree and hot glue just to give that instant hold. You can use wood glue or any kind of other stronger glue. I definitely suggest a different glue besides just hot glue alone, especially if you want this to stay together. And you can also go in with some slight nails that I can see me doing later to reinforce, maybe if I feel like it's needed. But so far it seemed like the super glue and a combination of the hot glue is holding the pieces together. I want to take a moment to thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny and I create budget-friendly decor that is very easy to do. So I hope you enjoy today's video. I am going to continue on adding the other 2 pieces and the 2 boards in between these 2 boards. And I'm going to use one of these containers that come out of the school supply section. These are actually going to be the containers I'm going to be using to style in between these boards. But for now, I'm just using it to measure the distance that I want these boards to be. And so I'm going in now with the glues to attach to add it to the board so I can attach the board to the other one. And you'll see that, as you can see, I'm just going right a little bit above the container just to have a little small space so that I can slide the container in. And what I'm going to do is once that secures, I'll just take that container, place it on the other side so that I can add my glues and place the other board down. And that's going to give me all 4 of my boards attached with the amount of space I need. And then all I have to do is add my last board on top. And actually the top and the bottom is going to be the sides. I just assemble it this way because it was easier to secure the boards. And so I'm just going to go in with the glue first and then place that last board right on top. So I hope each and every one of you had a Merry Christmas, and I am wishing you a Happy New Year. I am going to continue to say how grateful that I am of your support because it means so much to me, and I will continue to always say it because you don't have to come back each video. You don't have to like, share, or subscribe, but you do, and it means a lot to me and my family. So thank you. Now that I've added the top, let me continue added the top, which is the side, because as I mentioned earlier, the bottom and the top are the sides. And now I have these containers, and these are the ones out of the school supply section from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just showing you the different colors. As you can see, some are kind of clear, some are kind of like this grayish color, and then I do have some that's gold at the bottom, but the colors are all at the bottom. And I also wanted to mention that the Dollar Tree have 3 sizes of these, but they're stacked, and so these are the ones that's in the middle, and it's the smallest version of these. And these are the ones where you can fit 3 on one of those cutting boards. And so I just wanted to mention that if you pick these up from the Dollar Tree, these are the smallest version of those. And then I have this pack of cubes here that I pick up from the Dollar Tree as well. I use these pretty often, and I'm just going to attach these to the front of these containers to act as a knob for these. And I just thought these containers was the perfect size for tea bags, and I thought the little opening in the front, it just really gave tea storage. And so that's why I decided to go with these. And I really love how simple this was to put together, but I do like how it turned out. I needed something to store my tea bags in because I am a tea drinker, but I'm more of a coffee drinker. And my sister is a really big tea drinker, but when she's here, we drink tea together. And she's always complaining about having to dig through my tea boxes to find different teas. Because even though I'm more of a coffee drinker, I always pick up different flavors of teas. And so as you can see now, I have turned it over, and now this is the way that it's going to be styled. And what I'm doing is just adding the containers in there now, just to make sure that everything fits. And then I'll grab the other 3 containers that I had, and those are gold at the bottom. The reason why those were separate is because I already had those gold ones, and then when I decided to put this together, I went to go pick up the other ones. I was looking for something to hold my teas, but I had to create something because that sometimes is what creativity is about. It's like I needed it to be this size, I wanted to look like this, and so it was easier for me to put something together than to continue looking for something that's probably was going to be really pricey. So I just ran to the Dollar Tree and grabbed some items, and this is very quick and easy to do, but I do love how it turned out. And you don't have to use this for tea bags. You can actually use this storage for many things. You can use this in the bathroom, many places. All I'm doing is rearranging the cubes so I can put the gold ones right down the middle, and that is it. Now this is how my tea boxes used to look, and my sister used to complain, but now no more complaints, sister. Everything is nice, organized, and neat. And I did use 2 of the drawers for some sweeteners and some stirs. And I love how this turned out. It's really, really cute. Everything is nice and organized, and no more complaints from my sister. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please let me know in the comment section below. I want to say Happy New Year 2026. Here we come. Stay safe, all my friends. Until next time, so that I can see you in the next video.